Okay, take a swing.
Ready? Turn sideways.
Turn sideways. There you go.
Look at mommy. Watch this ball. Woo!
I knew you could do it. You gonna do it again?
Alright, let's do it again.
Turn sideways. Don't back up.
Watch this ball. Woohoo! Good job!
For the home run, you gotta swing hard now.
Here, watch the ball. Yeah!
Alright, good job.
Three. That's me.
Whoa, that was a good left hand throw.
Maybe lefty like his daddy.
All right, is he?
We'll see.
Fix your hands other way.
There you go. Move right here. Move right there. Big swing.
Yay! Good job, honey. Okay,
Go
let's
again.
do it one more time.
Did it really?
Turn sideways.
Yep, turn sideways.
Step off.
Big swing.
Oh, that was mommy's fault.
strike one.
Mommy's fault. Bad throw. Okay, watch the ball. Oh,
Strike two. Fix your hands. Fix your hands. There you go.
oh,